Ciao everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a special guest with me, Charlotte. She's gonna help me make pizza. And today's pizza, it is wonderful because it's so versatile. And we have so many figs on our tree, and one of the traditional pizzas in Italy is fig and prosciutto. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. First thing we need to do is we need to proof our yeast. To do that, we need 1.5 cups of warm water, about 115 to 120 degrees, and hot water out of your tap should be sufficient. To that, we need to add 2 packets of active dry yeast, or about 3 teaspoons, and a pinch of sugar, and just let that sit so that the yeast has some time to proof. In another bowl, we want to add 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and whisk that all together. And then we can also add 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So what's your favorite pizza?
Hawaiian.
Really? Oh my gosh. That is so perfect. You know why? Because we're making an Italian version of Hawaiian pizza.
Yes!
And once our yeast is proofed, we can add that to the bowl and mix everything up until it pretty much comes together. Once that comes together, we can place the dough on a floured bench and we can work the dough. The way we want to work the dough is by folding the dough in half towards us, pushing it out with the heels of our hands, and then giving a quarter turn. We fold towards, push out, quarter turn, and we want to continue doing this until we get a nice round smooth ball. At that point, we can just use the bowl we had made the dough with originally, add a little olive oil, put the dough in the bowl, flip it around so it's nicely coated so we keep our dough nice and moist, and this will prevent forming a skin. Cover it with some plastic wrap and just set it aside in a warm area for about 30 minutes. This will help the dough not only relax, but it will double in size. When we're ready to make our dough, we want to get a piece of parchment paper, drizzle some olive oil and spread it around, and place half of the dough on top of the oiled parchment paper. This will help the dough create a nice crispy crust by using oil instead of flour. We want to go ahead and just use your hands and kind of stretch the dough out, turning it around, making it a nice round shape. Don't worry about it if it's not perfectly round. This is a rustic pizza. We just really want to get it as close to a round shape and to the desired thickness that we would like by just stretching and using our hands and our fingers. Once the pizza is the thickness and the shape that we want, we can then take a pastry brush and brush olive oil all over the top of the pizza. Now it's ready to layer our ingredients. We're going to layer some sliced figs. Then we're going to add some prosciutto. I like to add some feta cheese and some shredded mozzarella. We can then place this in our oven, and we want to cook it until the bottom and the top is golden brown. Should take anywhere from about 15 to 20 minutes. Once our pizza is cooked, we want to remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes before we cut into it. A nice way to finish off our pizza is to have a nice drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. All right, so our pizza came out of the oven. It smells good, huh?
Yep.
Yep, okay. So let's cut it. Are you excited to try some?
Sure.
Go ahead and try that. I actually love to drizzle mine with some balsamic syrup, and I just get this at my local nugget market, and it's really thick, so I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit. Try it first. Okay, let me know what you think. It's good? All right. So it's really good. I hope you guys give this one a try. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'd love to hear your comments on if you try this pizza. Until next time, ci vediamo dopo. Bye.
Bye.